Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about Facebook ad account behaviors and how they can influence your results. So I'm going to start with the store owners which have only one ad account and say some things so that they can leave the video, and then freelancers and the people who work in several ad accounts, they can stay. Now, first thing, if you have only one ad account, keep in your mind that I'm strongly suggesting that you have several others into your business, because your ad account might get banned and you won't be able to do other ads, because if you have a banned ad account, you cannot create another ad account into your business. So create more ad accounts. Second thing that I need to mention is that your ad account, the one ad account that you spend a lot of money, it actually has behaviors, okay? So if you are spending a lot of money with CBO campaigns and with a specific structure, and someone else comes to your account and he's trying to do something different, most probably it's not going to work for a long period of time because the ad account is trained. The ad accounts also get trained to specific behaviors. How do I know it? I have a case study in my store that I'm talking about, a monopoly that it was selling and stuff. Anyway, it's a monopoly. It's in an island in the Caribbean Sea, okay? And he is the only person that is selling specific items there that they are needed from the whole population. The thing is that his ad account got banned, so he started in a new ad account. The new ad account didn't have even close to the ROAS that he was getting, and he started getting these ROAS again after 5 months of running. This is not the only case. I have other cases that we have ad accounts that they were spending 50k. You go immediately and you cannot spend more money to the 50k ad account, so you create more ad accounts. You run exactly the same ads, exactly the same copies, and in the other ad accounts that you created because you want to spend more, the results are 2 times worse from what they are on the main account. So the main accounts also get trained. How do we know that? We know that because we know that if you have another account which has spent a lot of money, Facebook says this person and this ad account is spending a lot of money on this ad account. It's not about the money that you spend, it's about the fact that you are spending this money for a very long period without any issues. That means that Facebook is going to give you better quality traffic because you are not a threat for the community, your content is good. It's going to give you less reviews with rejected ads and whatever. I have ad accounts that they spend a lot of money and they have never seen rejected ads. Never. They just don't reject ads over there, they're just passing by. And you're having all of these benefits. For me, some people think that if they lose their, and this is why I'm also against of dropshipping and stuff, because they change all their ad accounts all the time, you will never have good quality ads, especially in a period that Facebook ads are becoming more and more expensive. Your ad account and the ad account that you're having and you're spending a lot of money, it's equally important as your pixel. Okay, because your pixel with this ad account is going to work well, not with a new ad account. And let me tell you that now we're going to pass to the phase that we're going to talk to the freelancers, okay? So if you're going to have clients and you go to their ad accounts, you need to watch what the people that they were managing the accounts were doing and what was working. Because even if you come and you want to use Konstantinos' crazy method, it doesn't mean that it's going to work in this account immediately. Most probably I would start with whatever is working there, start working with this, and then try to transition to what I think is better as a practice on my own, so that I can try to fix the account and make it better and better and better. These are the things that I wanted to point out about the ad accounts. Don't forget that it is very important to actually maintain a good ad account and keeping it for a very long period. The old ad accounts are very important. If you're changing all the time ad accounts, if you're having issues and so on, I think this is a very problematic situation, and I'm sure that if you're having this kind of issues, you are not getting the same quality traffic as old ad accounts are getting, or ad accounts that they're spending a lot, or ad accounts that they have good behavior, good tracking record, and so on. That's all I had about the ad accounts. This is an information that a lot of times people neglect to say, and they just think that the pixel or the product and stuff. No, the ad account is also very important. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course, and until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.